Hey friends, if you encounter the error not a valid Win32 application error, then please watch this video. Then please, I will guide you through the solutions. Now, here's the thing. Let me set the expectations right. There isn't a 100% solution to this because if it is an older Windows 32-bit application, it may not work on newer systems. But let us try. First of all, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Okay, the next solution is to scan for malware. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open malware removal tool. It needs a few seconds to upload. And then click on next and run it. The last solution is to use compatibility mode for that application. Let's say this VLC media player is the application. So right click on it and select show more options, properties, and then select compatibility. There's an option which says run this program in compatibility mode for and choose the latest version, which is Windows 8 mostly. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.